Meetings get a bad rep, and for good reason. We show up unprepared, we don't spend our time effectively, and we leave without clear action points. My name is Jessica, and I host a lot of meetings. This is how I use my reMarkable Paper Pro as my go-to meeting companion. There are lots of ways to conduct meetings. I prefer creating and sending out an agenda in advance than using it as the framework for my meeting notes. This is called the outline method, and it works. Whether you're taking handwritten notes with your marker or type notes on Typefolio. Here's a meeting agenda template I've created on my reMarkable. It lists everything we need to know to be prepared, when and where we're meeting, why it's taking place, who's attending, and what we're going to discuss. Here's the same template as typed text. When I need to call a new meeting, I can just duplicate this template and start filling it in. And all I need to do now is bring the agenda to my meeting and take notes below each topic. If you need more space when taking notes by hand, just use the selection tool. Quick note-taking tip: don't write everything down verbatim. Prioritize important details. Use abbreviations to save time. And experiment with color to provide at-a-glance context when you're reviewing your notes afterwards, like using a specific highlighter color for time-sensitive notes or green ink to mark a positive development. No meeting is complete without agreeing on concrete next steps. Phrase these action points like this: person, action, condition. For example, Jessica to brief legal after revising rollout plan. And once the meeting is over, you can convert your meeting notes to text, refine them on Typefolio, and share them with your colleagues right from your reMarkable. Of course, the nice part about reMarkable is that you don't have to choose. You can combine handwritten and typed notes on the same page and get all the benefits of both. For more tips on how to get organized, improve your workflow, and find focus, check out the Learning and Inspiration Hub using reMarkable. You'll find it at reMarkable.com. Thanks for watching.